time, he almost to be that cousin first job. Yeah, never died.
Okay.
I am Mr. Evi Uncle Basmon. Dahil ibang orang ko dito.
English to English kita.
Okay, alright. I mean to see, I love you so.
Ano ito?
Bikulo na ano.
English.
I know more hard to my mind is that become to be is that right now is that mean to see.
Itlog.
Tama naman daw, gagaro mo.
Ingirit kang ngiritan mo man
Ay, ano, malyada ka muna.
Tata.
Hey, why natin is that mean? Nothing is that mean.
Yes. Okay.
Okay.
Ano pa? English.
Tama naman doon. Ano nga, baka unta mo sa kuya. Tama na,
Okay.
Pero, palagod na ka.
Continue English.
Palagod na ka.
English.
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 Speak
Speak English. Okay.